Hey, I'm Zarel. I've been in the YouTube space for a while, growing channels from scratch, working with brands, and turning content into a real business. And one thing I keep seeing is people getting excited over free AI tools until they suddenly hit limits or a paywall after barely using them. It happens all the time. So instead of wasting your time testing random websites, I want to show you 3 AI platforms I actually use in my workflow. These aren't tools I found on some top 10 list. They're the ones I keep coming back to because they let me create without constantly worrying about credits or surprise restrictions. Even better, some of them can run right on your own device, instead of relying on the cloud all the time. Whether you're on a computer or your phone, you're good to go. A couple of them even work offline, which is a nice bonus. If you want the links or anything I mention, you'll find everything down in the description, so you don't have to waste hours trying AI sites that never deliver. Before we get into them though, take a look at these. This clip, this one, and this one right here. Every one of these started with a simple prompt. Nothing complicated, just a few words. The motion looks smooth, the visuals come out clean, and even the audio sounds better than you'd probably expect. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, shorts, TikToks, Reels, or anything else, these tools can handle it. Vertical, landscape, square, whatever format you need. You can generate videos from text, create images, or animate a still photo in just a few minutes. If you get something useful out of this video, hit the like button and let me know where you're watching from. I always enjoy reading the comments. My team and I run multiple AI content channels, so I'd rather share tools we actually use than repeat whatever's trending that week. No fake guru stuff, just tools that have been genuinely useful for us. So let's jump in. We're starting with number 3 and working up to the one I use the most. Open your browser and search for Qwen 3.5. Go to the official website, click Try Qwen Chat, then sign in. Using your Google account is the quickest option. Once you're in, the layout will feel familiar if you've used ChatGPT before, but it gives you a lot more flexibility. You can upload files, generate images, create videos, and try different AI features without constantly running into limits. Let me show you. Type a prompt like, a hot air balloon floating above colorful autumn forests at sunrise. Press enter, and give it a few seconds to generate the image. Now let's level it up. Turn that image into a video and check out the result. The motion feels smooth, everything looks natural, and even the audio sounds surprisingly good for such a basic prompt. If you like it, just download it straight to your device. Before you move on, don't skip this next part. Head over to the community section and scroll around for a minute. You'll find tons of images and video projects people have already created. It's one of the fastest ways to get fresh prompt ideas when you're out of inspiration. All right, let's jump into tool number 2. Don't skip this one just because my favorite is coming up next. Open your browser, search for Hugging Face, and head to the official website. Once you're signed in, click on the Spaces tab. You'll quickly realize this isn't just one AI tool. It's a huge library of AI apps built by developers around the world. New projects are added all the time, so there's always something worth checking out. You'll find image generators, video models, voice cloning, AI music tools, coding assistants, upscalers, background removers, 3D apps, and a whole lot more. For this video though, let's focus on video generation. Scroll down and you'll find plenty of video tools almost immediately. Some are average, but a few are seriously worth using. One I'd recommend is LTX Video Turbo. Open the image to video feature, upload any image, then describe how you want the scene to move. Try something like a motocross rider racing across a muddy track while dirt flies behind them and the camera follows from the side. Adjust the settings if you want, then hit generate. After a short wait, your video will be ready. You might see an occasional animation glitch, but that's normal with image to video models. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the result usually looks. Once you're happy with it, download it to your device. Just like the last tool, you don't have to deal with constant credit limits or surprise paywalls. Also, don't make the mistake of trying just one space. There are hundreds of great projects here, and it's one of the best places to discover new AI tools before they become mainstream. And that's everything I wanted to share. Whether you're posting on YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Instagram, or running multiple pages, they can save you a ton of time. If you found this helpful, leave a like and tell me in the comments what you're creating. I always like seeing what everyone's working on. And if you'd like another tutorial, I've already got one planned where I'll show you how to generate hundreds of images in bulk with almost no no manual work. I'll also cover the YouTube niches where this works best, and you'll find all the prompts, links, and resources waiting in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.